So what I want to say about that is when the special purpose receiver turned into the special purpose rifle, aka the Mark 12, a couple changes were made. Specifically, it was quickly realized that although the upper receiver could be put on a regular M4, if you really wanted to squeeze out all the accuracy you possibly could, you wanted to have a lower that was more specifically made for accuracy, one with a better trigger. So many different triggers were looked at. Ultimately, it came down to a Knight's 2-stage that was select fire, and eventually moved over to a Geissele that was either an SSAE of some type or some type of select fire Geissele. This allows you to shoot just better. A better trigger is going to matter for precision shots.